Factor each trinomial below. For a, we have 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared. Oh boy. So, for this one, two sets of parentheses. We saw something sort of similar to this in the last section, which was 6-2. When they put a y squared, the problem really isn't different. You just have to put y's at the end. As long as you check the middle term, it's right, you're good. So for 4, we have options here. 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. For 9, we have options there as well. We have 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. Now, it's just a matter of fact how things work out. My experience has shown me that whenever you have the same number twice, that more times than not, that's going to be the way to go when factoring them. It's just how math teachers and math books are written. So I'm going to go ahead and try putting the 2x and the 2x first. And likewise, I'm going to go with the 3 and 3 combination. Just a gut feeling, it might not work. So, we would get, we have a positive 9, so we need and a positive 12. In other words, we have the same sign, they're both positive. So we get 2x plus and 2x plus 3, and not just 3 because of the y squared, it's 3y and 3y. Let's slow down here for a minute and make sure we get this right. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 3y times 3y, 9y squared. Just got to check the middle term. 3 times 2 is 6xy. And then 2x times 3y is also 6xy, and we got it. Our result is 12xy, which means 2x plus 3y times 2x plus 3y is our answer. B. We have 4x squared y plus 6xy plus 2y. So, 2 sets of parentheses? No. There's no y squared here at the end. In fact, that first term has a y, and so does the second. Pretty slick, huh? There's a GCF here. Greatest common factor. In fact, there's a number that's a greatest common factor. Oh boy. So we have 2 that will divide into all of the numbers, and we have y that will be a common factor as well. Is x? No, x is not a common factor. It's not in the third term. So let's do our GCF, see what's left over. 2 times 2 will give you the 4, and then we get x squared plus 3x. And then we have just plus 1. So, the check. 2 times 2 is 4, yx squared. 2 times 3, 6xy. 2y times 1 is 2y. Now, we're not done. The second parenthesis can be factored as well. We'll bring our 2y, our greatest common factor, down, and then we'll put 2 sets of parentheses like we've been doing in this section. 2x squared, well, that doesn't break down in too many ways, just 1 times 2. So 1x or x, and then 2x. Fortunately for us, the 1 can't really be broken down in any way other than just 1 times 1. It's positive, and so is the middle term, meaning the signs are both the same. They're both positive, 1 and plus 1. Hey, if this doesn't work right here, then this second piece is prime, and this would be our final answer. Let's see if it does work out. 1 times 2x is 2x. X times 1 is also x. Adding them together is 3x. And is that the middle term? Right on. So that means our answer is 2y times x plus 1 times 2x plus 1.